While the recent outbreak of E. coli infections linked to romaine lettuce has been declared over, public health officials are still working to determine the cause of the contamination. However, some E. coli strains are pathogenic, meaning they can cause human illness. How does food become contaminated? There are many different ways that produce can become contaminated. Firstly, in the farmer's field, it can become contaminated with pathogenic E. coli through direct contact with animal feces. For example, wild animals, like feral pigs and deer rummaging through farm fields, have previously been found to be linked to cases of illness due to spinach and strawberries, respectively. In fact, any time produce in the field makes contact with animal feces, it could lead to the contamination of that produce with a pathogen. WGS identifies pathogens isolated from food or environmental samples. These can then be compared to clinical samples isolated from patients. Previously, outbreaks caused by contaminated produce were either missed, or a food product could not be linked to illnesses because of the poor sensitivity of the typing method. Thanks to WGS, those links are now more quickly identified and tied to a specific fruit or vegetable. Trace an outbreak back to a certain farm. In some cases, it may be straightforward to trace a contaminated produce item back to a certain field or farm. For example, in the late 1990s, a big foodborne outbreak occurred due to a protozoan parasite called Cyclospora, and the outbreak was quickly blamed on Californian strawberries. However, the outbreak was later linked to Guatemalan raspberries. The mistake cost the California strawberry industry millions of dollars. Should consumers wash their pre-washed bags of produce? Consumers do not need to wash their packaged triple-washed bags of leafy greens, and can actually make things worse if they do, as during the course of washing, they can cross-contaminate the product.